Hey, in this episode, we're diving into animating text in CapCut. We're talking dynamic titles and lower thirds that will make your videos go from basic to pro in no time. So, if you're ready to level up your video game, let's get started. Alright, first things first, tap on the text layer and then head over to animation. It's super simple from there. You'll see three awesome categories. In animations, how your text will appear on the scene. Out animations, how your text will exit the scene. And loop animations, which are all about creating a continuous and repeating effect. Let's take a look at some examples of each. First up, the fade in and fade out. It's classic, it's clean, and it works like a charm. Want something a little more eye-catching? The typewriter effect is fantastic for subtitles. Think about it, the old school typewriter, the way the letters strike the page, it's so unique and memorable. And hey, don't underestimate the bounce. It's playful, it's fun, and it's perfect for those moments when you want to add a touch of whimsy to your videos. Now that you've got the hang of it, let's play around with timing. You can control the speed of your animations with the slider, Wanna Go Fast. Short animations will make your video feel snappy and energetic. Prefer a slower pace. Longer animations will give your video a smooth and dramatic vibe. Remember, timing is everything. Pro tip here, try to match your animation timing to the beat of your music. It'll make your video feel way more dynamic and engaging. Trust me, your audience will thank you for it. Now let's talk lower thirds. This is where things get really pro. Lower thirds are like the news, when they have the text at the bottom of the screen giving you extra info about someone on camera. You can use this trick to introduce yourself, maybe add your name and title, or use it to highlight important points in your video. Check out this example. We've got a text bar smoothly sliding into view and then sliding back out after a few seconds. Simple, elegant, and super effective. Remember, less is often more. You don't need to go overboard with fancy text and wild animations. Keep it clean and focused on your message. Here's a quick recap of what we've covered. Pick your text, go to animation, choose your in, out, or loop animation, adjust the speed for the perfect timing, and use lower thirds to add that professional touch. So there you have it. With just a few taps, you can transform your videos from basic to pro. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hey, we've got more awesome content coming your way, including captions and more, so stay tuned.